Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your vinyl records. So first, grab your record, take it out of its sleeve and put it down on a nice clean, smooth surface. In this case, I'm using the provided microfiber cloth. You take the other microfiber cloth that's included and your spray bottle of your magic cleaning solution and lightly mist your cloth. 1 or 2 pumps will be just fine depending on the severity and dirtiness of your record. When you have that nice and saturated, again, just lightly, place your other hand on the record to hold it in place, and your one hand with the cloth going in circular motions, making sure not to press too hard into the vinyl itself. It's very important to keep it in a circular motion as you're cleaning. If you do anything other than that, you can cause scratches or any other kind of damage to the grooves of the record. When you see that the record and the water are kind of clean and no longer as wet or shiny, then you're done. Looks pretty good to me. Flip it over and do the same thing. If your cloth begins to get dirty, all you have to simply do is put it in the washing machine and you're good to go. And there you have it. Your records are nice and clean. Make sure also to wait until the water completely dries. The liquid will evaporate on its own, so don't feel like you have to really kind of do it yourself. It'll naturally kind of dry in the air. But again, don't play it until it's nice and dry. But you're good to go. Your record is clean.